Hello friend, today we will talk about methicobal tablet. What is methicobal used for? How does it work? And what are its possible side effects? Let's find out. What is methicobal tablet? Methicobal tablet contains mecobalamin. It's a vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health, brain function, and blood formation. Some uses of methicobal tablet. Methicobal tablet is used commonly for vitamin B12 deficiency, nerve pain, weakness, anemia, and supporting brain and nerve health. How to take methicobal tablet? Take one daily or as prescribed by the doctor. And it's some commonly side effect is nausea, stomach upset, headache. Methicobal tablet is very effective for nerve pain and vitamin B12 deficiency. Use it regular and on medical advice for best result. Thank you.